Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to rename a site in Google Sites. First, go to sites.google.com, then click on these three dots below the website you want to rename and select Rename. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Google Sites, building content, for example, how to write articles and upload videos or photos. Also, enhancing your Google site, like how to add an image carousel, a video background, a WhatsApp link, Facebook pixel. Also, publishing and managing, customizing and advanced features, like how to add sitemap to Google Sites. Additional features, like how to rotate images on Google Sites, how to resize images, print Google Sites. Also, another category of monetizing your Google Sites, for example, how to promote affiliate links on Google Sites. Special use cases for Google Sites, like how to use Google Sites to make a portfolio, a blog, a gaming website, how to create a login page, and finally, managing your Google site, like how to index your Google site and also how to export it. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Fill in your new name, for example, new name, and hit this OK button. As you can see, your website is instantly renamed. And this is how to rename a website in Google Sites. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.